Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fun with Beamies. So viewers, I hope you fine. Today I have a beautiful and amazing paper clock decoration ideas. It is very amazing and interesting decoration ideas for paper art. Paper clocks, paper wall decoration ideas, paper paintings, paper stones art, rocks art, and etc. It is very beautiful and amazing wall decoration ideas, clocks decoration ideas, and I hope you can see it. सो व्यूअर्स अगर आप लोगों को ये आइडियाज़ पसंद आ रहे हैं सो प्लीज़ लाइक माई वीडियो, शेयर माई वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल, प्रेस द बेल आइकन व्यूअर्स, and take care. Bye bye, see you soon.